Hello, I'm Julia Nickerson. Thank you for joining me today as we travel through some of the most common mistakes that parents make when naming a guardian for their children. I'm an attorney and I'm also a mother. And as parents, we know that one of the most important things we need to do is make sure that there is a plan to protect our children if we're not there for them. But we don't necessarily have experience doing this, and I know that as an attorney, when I sit in this room and help families, that many parents commit the same mistakes over and over again when trying to name a guardian for their children. And that's why we've developed this program. Please read through some of these questions that are listed on this website. I know that myself, I committed some of these mistakes when I first named guardians for my children, and most families prior to working with me have committed at least a number of them as well. So if you have committed any of these mistakes, I encourage you, figure out a way that you can get a plan that can actually be implemented, and make sure that you have named guardians for your children. You know, the most common mistake that parents make when trying to name a guardian for their children is they procrastinate. They don't know who to name, and so they just don't name anyone. And you know, I tell people, you're never going to get an A+ person. You are the A+ person. What you're trying to do is not get an F, because if you don't name a guardian for your children and something does happen to you, then you don't get to decide who takes care of your babies. A judge will. So I encourage you, don't make the most common mistake. Name a guardian for your children. And remember, smart parents plan ahead.